Florida is beginning to feel heavy impacts from Hurricane Ian. Charlotte County Emergency Management Director Patrick Fuller said that this is an intense hurricane. We expect that to persist throughout the evening into tomorrow. Video circulating shows houses floating off their foundations in Fort Myers Beach hit by Hurricane Ian. This is rare first-person view of storm surge. This camera is 6 feet off the ground on Estero Boulevard in Fort Myers Beach, Florida. Not sure how much longer it keeps working. Water rushes into a parking garage at Pelican Bay in Naples.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.